Who would have thought that the cheapest V8 in the country would fail its MOT? And so, as you can see, there is quite a list. There's simple things like the windscreen wiper, the passenger door can't be opened from the outside, headlamp aim, structural corrosion in the suspension. I don't quite know what any of that means. It would make sense to scrap it. It's obviously not economical to repair all of that. There's a lot of work there to be done, and I can't do it. So what I did was buy a welder. That's right. I'm going to learn how to weld. So follow me for that journey because I've got no idea how it's going to go. What have I done? Where to start is to actually check all the places they said need work done. So now the car is up on the lift, we can have a look and see exactly what has been found. Well, as you can see, that's been dug through with something to show the extent of that. That is pretty horrendous, isn't it? But luckily, the MOT guy has put out a square there to show where it probably needs to be done. You can see that's the same. No good, is it? Look at that. Okay, we'll have to take that away and see what we can do with that. This one as well. Look how holy that is. It's like a matting over it, so someone's obviously just put something over the top of it to hide it, and that kind of comes up here and along here, so we have to do something with that. Please do remember as well that I bought this car and it had a clean MOT. I know. Oh God, it goes a bit further, doesn't it? This one here, I'm sure, didn't have any advisories. No, it doesn't look like it. Let's just bring the car down a little bit, because I want to show you the suspension areas as well. As you look in here, there is a hole. And it's the same on the opposite side. Not quite sure what to do. Any advice will be appreciated. There's that one again, look, going in behind there, behind the sill. Please do remember, guys, that this car had a clean MOT last year. I know. Although I have obviously ordered all the welding stuff, I am a bit like, oh my God, like there's some of those bits that I just don't know where to start. So anybody that knows, please let me know in the comments down below because I got no idea. Actually, the ones that worry me the most are the ones that are in here, in behind the suspension. I think they're going to be a bit harder to do than the sills. Maybe, I'm not sure. Right, let's go prodding. Let's see how bad this actually is. And so there you have it, guys. This car is very, very rusty. Even the wing has given up alongside all of these other bits that are structural. So please let me know in the comments below if you would like me to carry on with this car. Would you like me to learn how to weld? Because I've just ordered all the welding equipment, about £600, £700, something like that. So the car now owes me about £1,600 with that included. I think it would be good for you guys to see someone that has no idea how to weld, hopefully learn how to weld okay enough to get a car through an MOT. But I must admit, I am a bit like dreading it because I'm not quite sure, but I'm also someone that's just like, you know what, the only way you really learn is you just chuck yourself into these things and you learn. You do stuff, it goes wrong, you do stuff, it goes right, and you just tend to learn. So that's how I've had this whole YouTube journey. I never really touched a car before I did the YouTube stuff, and I started doing more and more and more, and I have learned a lot. So thank you guys for watching me through that journey, and I hope that you have enjoyed it as well. So please do hit the like button if you haven't already to let me know that you hate rust. Because if you don't hit the like button, your car will be rusty at the next MOT. Please do comment below, let me know what you think. Should I carry on with this car or should I get another car? Do you want to see me welding this car? I think that would be quite interesting content for someone that has never touched a car when it comes to welding at all. And I've just ordered a load of stuff and gone, I hope that's the right stuff that I need. So please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And any of you that have, thank you so much. Honestly, it means the world to know that you're watching the videos and enjoying them and interacting and commenting. You know, I have a few of you that comment every single video. Really do appreciate it. And I hope that you have a great, great Christmas. See you in the next video. And a quick apology. I'm so sorry, Mark. I'm sorry about this, but you're going to have to learn how to weld too. I would bang my head against the car, but it probably would end up just a pile of rust.